Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to create a PowerPoint narrated video using the record feature, which is available in the Microsoft Office 2016, 2019, 2021, or even the Microsoft Office 365. So you can see on my screen, I have this option here, the record, but on your side, you may not get these options directly. You may need to right click here, then click on customize ribbon. You come and check this button or this checkbox so that now the record feature can be enabled and you'll see it on the ribbon. And once you click you check the checkbox, you click OK. You find now this option has been added. So you click on it. You'll have several options here. Remember, you can take a screenshot via the same. You can screen record, and here you can now create a PowerPoint narrated video for your slides or for your presentation. So I'll go on and demonstrate how to do that. So you click on this. Remember, you have opened your slide that you want to narrate. You want to narrate from the beginning. So you click on it. So this is the window. Here you have the options to start recording and stop and also replay. Here, if you have notes on the slide like this slide has notes. They are displayed here. You can be able to read them as you continue recording, but it will not be shown on the video. Yeah, just for your own good or your use. You just read. You can even enlarge them to be able to see them correct well. You read them out as you present. Will not be compiled to video. Then here you have this button here to clear existing recording. If you find that you are recording, you need to clear it. You can clear the whole record, or you clear for the particular slide that you are in. Okay. So if you make a mistake on a certain slide, you can clear recording for that particular slide, or you can clear the entire recording and start afresh. These are the options for the microphone and the webcam. Mine is default because I have only those ones, but if you have more, you can choose which is being used. So basically this is a window. Then here, bottom part, you have like the pens. You can see the razor. Then you can use to point the razor pen. You can see the pen, the mark. If like you want to circle something, you can pick the color and the pen and you circle as you present. So once you are aware of everything, now you can click on the record button, and once I click on it, it will give you 3 seconds, then it starts. Now you can voice your presentation, and you say that welcome to fundamentals of neural networks. This course has this code DCS4448. This course provides a comprehensive foundation in neural networks, equipping learners with knowledge and skills needed for both theoretical understanding and practical application. So when I'm through with my video now, I can click on stop. Yeah. Once I click on stop, I can replay or now to preview the video. Then start. Now you can voice your presentation. And you say that welcome to fundamentals of neural networks. Okay, if you find out the video is okay, or if you want to clear some certain recording on a certain slide, you can use this button. If it's okay, you can click on close. And now come to these options, and click on export to video. And here you'll have the options like full HD, the format that you want your video to be, or the quality of your video. And mine I can click on 720p, then you click on create video, and you click you write, you are directed to where it will be saved. You're supposed to write the name of the file. So PowerPoint will continue converting your video. That is the PowerPoint now converted it to a video. And so once it is through, now you can be able to access your now PowerPoint narrated video, which you can now upload even to YouTube, or even submit somewhere that it's needed. Okay, that's the process of narrating or creating a narrated video in PowerPoint. Thank you.